Is Dr. Evan Jennings, and I'm a lecturer in the psychology department. The title of the course is How to Learn in College. And I decided that this was really important when I realized that a lot of my students didn't know how to properly take notes or study in order to achieve their learning goals. And so a lot of this comes back to how they were taught to learn in high school and how those strategies don't necessarily match up with what is necessary in college. Teaching to standardize tests, it has its own purpose. But in college, we're trying to facilitate critical thinking and how to manipulate information and go beyond just basic memorization to even create your own information. And that requires a higher level type of processing and skill set that many students don't even know exists. And so that translates into a number of different skills, as simple as note taking, but also as complex as assessing your own knowledge. I expect them to come in wanting to better their learning skills, and they're going to be doing a lot of self-reflection, a lot of introspection, and to really be prepared to get their hands dirty and examine their misconceptions, as well as be prepared to learn that learning takes work. The one who does the work is the one who learns. And that's beneficial because when they come out of the course, they're going to be just essentially ready to hit the ground in any class that they take on. So it's a little bit difficult at the start because we're used to spending, maybe 6 hours maximum on homework in high school. Whereas, what is it? It's like 3 hours per credit is expected in work in college. And not only that, but there's misconceptions that length in work equates to output. And that's simply not true. We want to learn how to learn smart instead of just work tirelessly. We also want to incorporate, based on psychology, all these different tried and true practices, like, operant conditioning, classical conditioning, use that in your benefit, but also some new cutting edge research that has come out in the face of the pandemic, in the face of learning on Zoom and what we've learned from that, attention management and how that factors in. So the students, I know that sounds a little bit, vast, but that's because it is. So the students are going to learn how to identify the problems they're facing and then select from a variety of tools that they've developed to troubleshoot their own experiences.